Hello, people. You've been here before. Welcome back. If this is the first time you're here, well, this is my channel, and we are working with, a series of video tutorials to help people get a better score in the TOEFL test. Right now, we're working with structure and written expression, and we're focusing on adjectives. So let's go on to the exercise. All right, skill 51, use ed and ing adjectives correctly. Verb forms ending in ed and ing can be used as adjectives. For example, the verbal adjectives clean, cleaning come from the verb clean. The woman cleans the car. It's the verb. The cleaning woman worked on the car. That is an ing adjective. And the woman put the clean car back in the garage. That is a participial adjective. So in the first example, cleans is the verb of the sentence. This is an example, cleaning is a verbal adjective describing the woman. And in the third example, clean is a verbal adjective describing the car. Verbal adjectives ending in ed and ing can be confused in the written expression section of the TOEFL test. The cleaning car, the clean woman. The difference between an ed and ing adjective similar to the difference between the active and the passive. An adjective, like the active, means that the noun it describes is doing the action. For example, the cleaning woman, right? The example about the cleaning car is not correct because a car cannot do the action of cleaning. You cannot say that a car cleans itself. An ed adjective, like the passive, means that the noun describes is receiving the action from the verb. The example about the clean woman is not correct because in this example, a woman cannot receive the action of the verb clean. This sentence does not mean that someone cleaned the woman. Here is a chart which outlines the key information that you should remember about ed and ing adjectives. Ing adjective means it's active, it does the action of the verb, like happily playing children, meaning the children play. And ed, meaning passive, uses the action of the verb, frequently played the record. Someone plays the record does not play itself. Okay, so let's work on the exercise here. Exercise 51, each of the following sentences contains either an ed or an ing verbal adjective. We're going to circle those adjectives, draw arrows to the words they describe, and then indicate if the sentences are correct or incorrect. For example, the teacher gave a quiz of the just completing lesson, right? So this is an ing, should be more active. So that means that somebody complete the lesson and not the lesson itself. So this is incorrect. It should be the completed lesson, right? Somebody completed the lesson. Number 2, there is a fascinating movie at the theater tonight. So describe directly the noun. So this is okay. There you go. Okay. So now pause the video, complete the exercise, and when you finish, you come back and you look at what you did. Okay, let's see what you did. They thought that it had been a very satisfied dinner. Okay, so this is incorrect because, it's a satisfying dinner. The empty bottles are to the left and the filling bottles are to the right. Okay, so filling is an active, it's more like an active meaning. So it should be the filled bottles because it's passive. Somebody filled the bottles. So for lunch at the restaurant, she ordered a mixed salad. Right? Yes, somebody mixed the salad. The salad was mixed. So this is correct. The students thought that it was an interesting assignment. Right? Interesting assignment. So the assignment is interesting. Yes. The shoppers were impressed by the reducing prices. Okay, here, somebody reduced the prices, so the prices should be reduced. So this is incorrect, should be reduced. He can't afford to take long vacations to outside places because he is a worked man. Right? So this is more an active meaning. You know, he's a working man because he works. So it's incorrect. He should be working man. I recently received several annoying phone calls, okay, from the insurance agent. So yes, they are annoying. An active meaning. And today the bookkeeper is working on the unpaying bills. Right. The bills are paid, so they should be the unpaid bills, not the unpaying bills, more passive than active meaning. So yeah. All right, guys. So take a look at what you did. Take a look at what the answers were. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below here, and I'll get back to you. So if you thought this content is useful, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps with YouTube algorithm. Um, Subscribe to the channel so it can get bigger and stronger. And if you know anyone who can benefit from this type of information, these free tutorials available online for anyone, please share with them. Okay. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.